In today's video we will see how to take care of the Episcia plant. This is the bright red color. There are the other colors also I have, but that are not bloomed. And these are the shade loving plants. You cannot keep it in the direct sunlight. And these are considered as a very delicate plants. So I have grown this in the hanging pot. You can see here. Once it becomes the mature, it gets a lot of strings of these stems, is like see. So you get extra shoots and it keeps on growing, and for there will be more attachment of the branches. And you can see you get such a lovely and tiny flowers. And this is a good way of gifting to someone also. Whenever there's any occasion, instead of giving any gifts, you can give always the plants, and they will just love these plants to have it in their collection. And these are very easy to grow also, the plant. So it is also for the beginners, those who wants to venture in the gardening, so it will be very helpful for them, because they will also get a confidence when they start growing this kind of plants. And when it comes to watering these plants, you have to water it moderately. You don't have to water it, you just have to see this soil is moist. It should not be wet. So if it is too much of water is there for this, then there's a possibility of the roots are getting rotten. And always make a point to remove the dead leaves from the plants, so it will breathe properly. So it will have a proper growth of the plants. When you clean the dead plants or the leaves turning yellow from this plant, and you have to use the manure once in a week. You can use the manure like the rice water or the leftover tea mixed with the water, and you can use it once in a week. So with this, the healthy liquid, it will bloom also nicely. And whatever the extra strings you get, you can cut it from here and you can make one extra pot. Same way I've done it over here. I've done one extra pot with the strings what I've got it from this pot. So similarly we can make a number of pots from one single plant. And you can always divide the plants whenever you want it, when there's a plant grows very tall. And it requires the indirect sunlight. This plant requires the indirect sunlight, so make it a point to keep it in the indirect sunlight, but must get a bright sunlight. If it doesn't get a bright sunlight, the leaves will not turn this much dark green, it will be light green. So you should understand that it's not getting a sufficient amount of sunlight. See here. I hope you all like this video. Please do like and subscribe to my channel for more videos on the different types of plants.